Or your two daughters are virgin. Miss Blinger, you and your daughter them come suck out my nice, clean ruby hole. Your daughter them passageway bigger than me where I sit down on what is not my size. But your two daughters them are virgin. Go suck your mama dirty Blinger. Go suck your mama from all back ways. You stink and bright and your house open up like a community center. Eh? Your house open up. You know, long the little behind you want change. And you're there foreign. Nobody were there foreign nothing naked, you know. Them believe nakedness to me with sun a burn. Cause me a catch tan against my will. Me a catch tan against my will. Leave nakedness to me, Miss Blinger. Your little wall behind you. A long time you're there foreign like them not sell paint. When is the birthday? I want to ship up some. Yeah. You're too out of order. You're too rude. Una 8 girl picnic like una not done okay yet. Like young girl make you can't get the body. Train your old for take all cocky with flaccid. Train your vagina if sex is a problem. Train your vagina for take anything. You know so sex is exciting. Yeah, you can get a piece of sharp stone. And like how una love feel pain in a sex, I would advise bring up a bum up a piece of cut zinc. Cause una like feel pain in a sex. Me da love for you to bum up a piece of cut zinc. Yeah, for true. Cause una love wood bad. But when you're done, you're sore. You have to wait for time for heal, for grind again. Me I take time sending in your church. Me I take time sending in your church. You're too out of order. You and Kitty out of order no blow wow. And you don't have girl pick near grow. You don't want somebody you don't want somebody shitting at them and box on a nastiness. You don't just want somebody have a piece of thick shit in them hands, so you know, when you not pass. You know one of them shit they will look like when your granny plait your ear. Yeah man, and have it all in your hand. It all warm. A bun your hand, me glitter bun the M in your hand, the M. The M in your hand, it all a bun it cause it warm. So you know you warm, you know. Yeah man, that's why when cocky go in you know one come out so you know you warm for sure. And you pass, Kitty pass, go in a kitty face and make sure you get the nose and the lip. Yeah, you don't want box with shit. Yeah, for sure, it's not like me you tell my baby Antoinette, it's not like you tell. Them two out of order. Them tear down every young girl and then walk and talk say me not like woman. I always a walk and tear down woman. See them there. See them there. Walk and ask anybody in the early 2000s if nobody know about Kitty, if Kitty have a good reputation. They are going to tell you no. They must have where rep come from. You can't use rep on Kitty. You can't the same way Anna be if Kitty so you used to run down cocky like it the pan wheel. Remember you can't work unless you talk to the people in man where you are mine. Remember. Always remember this. Come in to know where you do on TikTok like you and your marriage come to an agreement to say, well then, I earn my own money and you earn your own money. I don't like the relationship, the man for flower me. Man for flower me like I'm a birthday. Yeah. Me don't like them something, me don't like them relationship, yeah. You establish your man, you showcase your man like your man have money, your man rich. But your man rich and you careless about taps and rose. Leave it to me have a garden coming soon. Leave it to me. Me have a garden. I don't like the people that talk rich and broke. I don't like it. What kind of business with this? I don't trust it. Yeah, I don't trust the business with me. I don't like it. I don't like it. Fear is fear. Who is in the relationship that is an FBI? I don't like it. No, but then I warp her life. But good God, man, them to leave any daughter alone. She's not the first one man I breed and I be. Mudfish mother. When Mudfish mother did I breed one time, Mudfish mother man beat out her nastiness with the belly. Beat out her nastiness with the belly. We lip it, we see it, we go through it. Yeah man, Mudfish mother get beat with the belly. That's what they been sit a long time, something from Bible days. You backstung that bitch with the stomach. Yeah. You want one beer? All of the people.